So, welcome on, my name is Tawess, and this is not the original box of shame, but this is my box of shame. And the question is, of course, why am I showing you this? Well, because I haven't been through this box in about... Well, technically I've been through this box and I poured all the content of the box in here when I moved last time, but before that it was about 10 years. So what's in this box? Well, mostly it's going to be Space Marine bits, some Eldar bits, some Orc bits, bases and legs and all that sort of great stuff. I mean, one handheld scanner, her shoulder pads for old Marines, a dual wielding Marine that I customized myself, not particularly well. Bits. Not very sure what sort of bits. I know some of the bits in here are for Inquisitor, and some are not. Some are the Arcadia bits, there are some knives, there's some, and generally speaking, some random bunch of bits. There's some more Arcadia, some more Space Marines. Yeah. Again, random bits, you know, the sort of things you kinda like to have around with customizing stuff. This is my pride and joy. This is supposed to be a casualty that never got done, so he's dead on the floor. We got Space Marine with a zombie head. It's the head of an elf. Bring me the head of an elf! We have Arcadia standard bearer, metal version. This is actually really nice. Flag is sculpted and everything, way before its time. I think this will be a salamander. More random bits. More leftover bits. This was at one point going to be my own chapter design. And for those of you who watched my painting Awesome, you will recognize this paint scheme. I like this paint scheme. I'm probably at some point going to paint an armor with this paint scheme. But you can't have to be a Space Marine to pull it off, because damn, it's audacious. It's like up your face. Another Terminator. Skaven. This, I think... That does not want to say... Oh, a shield. Bits and pieces for another game that is not really related. And it's for... not Car Wars, but... I can't remember the name of it. Anyway, this was for... I'm holding the gun now. He's staying. I was presenting Commander with Mordheim. It was supposed to be a Mordheim gang. Never really finished them all up. And we never really got off the ground playing either, so it didn't really matter. This is a... I think it's a salamander. Yeah, I think this is a metal salamander's cat chaplain. Yes, it is. Has a symbol and everything. Intended to paint this at one point, never did. Perhaps should. Has a lot of nice details on it. More Space Marines that nobody care about. Nobody, you know, look at this. Little black Space Marine. We have legs, Space Marine, bits. Yeah, I was actually trying to paint salamanders at one point. Here is the last guy of my warband. He never got done. But it's only Skavens. They're sneaking away. Sneaky, sneaky Skavens. Actually, never mind. This is another guy, and he actually got done. But as I said, we never finished playing it. More Skaven. Replacement for when some of the guys actually die. Just assumed to happen very sooner rather than later. They're Skavens after all. This is a really old elf. Space elf. I don't know, it's space elf. It's a Shadowrun miniature. Very nice, actually. What do you call the shamans? Street shaman, anyway. This is a very angry space marine. He has his arm chopped off. Hate when that happens. That thing needs another bit, actually. So I'm gonna keep that one over there. Then comes some of my more regular army, which is my Dark Angels. That army never finished either. This is actually mine. No, it is mine, but it's not me who painted it. I got it in a pile of parts. More Dark Angels. I was pretty basic at painting back then. I'm still pretty basic, but I was really basic back then. This sort of sort of diorama which was supposed to have its power fist chopped off. Pieces. Another Shadowrun figure, I think. Not entirely sure. This is Space Marine on Orc's body again. This one is not mine. I wish I could claim ownership of it, but I can't. Again, it came with a pile of parts. Not a Wood Elf Archer. Another Space Marine. Space Wolf parts eaten by green stuff. There we go, I tossed out actually, there's no point in saving those. They're part of a mock-up project at one point, but it sort of got away from me. Still I can't remember the name of the game. More Space Marines. Unsurprisingly. More Space Marines. More Space Marines. This. A nice Wild West figure. Yeah, well, Partha models. They're nice. They were nice for the time they were made, but they are also... You don't really know what to do with them. This we call experimenting. More bits and pieces. Space Marine. More Skavens. More parts in the bin. Wheels. To that card game. Harpoon. To that card game. Another... I think it was tend to be Salamander. Pile of those. They're nice. More Space Marines. Dark Angel with a custom hood. Made it myself. I was very proud. More of my own custom chapter. This one I'm actually really happy with because it's got a nice dynamic pose. Should actually paint this one up at some point. Really nice. A custom torso for Imperial. Was supposed to be a Imperial chaplain, never... No, Commissar, they're called, not chaplains, Commissar. Never got anywhere with that one. More bits. That was a shield. Tank threads for that car game that I can't remember the name of. This, I think it's a heavy Kitachian heavy weapon. Bit of a Larry. More Space Marines. More Space Marines. Heavy bolter. Custom heavy bolter. Very nice. A bit unbalanced. He said that it fell off into the side of things. Very big axe. Space Wolves. I think this is part of the part pile because I never painted Space Wolves. Cynic base. More Space Marine parts and... Oh dear lord, what happened to you? I think this is also a Shadowrun figure. No clue. I don't know what happened to that guy. He looked sad. More Space Marines. And a... I have no clue. Actually, some of these parts I literally have no clue because they came in, let's say, in a pile of models earlier. Let's see if we can just put this over here. Do we have anything interesting? Yes, we have parts of Malagos Scythe. There's a point to that. And the Skaven. We do have a good amount of Skavens, don't we? And also Space Wolf and Bloody Sticker Sheet. Sticker! More Skavens. Yep, that's another part of her weapons team. I wish I could remember what this game was called. But I really can't remember right now. It was a fun game anyway. Here we have a Legend of the Damned backpack. And I think that is related to what is in this bag. Let's get the bag immediately because I think that is what is in this bag. Triple fan. Let's see. Plastic bag. Because plastic bags are fun. Yes. This, my friends. Get off. Is something a bit rare. This is an entire squad of the Legion of the Damned Space Marines. I'm not quite sure they still have rules in the current game, but they are a thing. They're all metal. Skull motif. Really cool. They are old as dirt. Let's see if I can get some light on it. Yeah. I'm actually very proud of them. Should I perhaps do something with them? Because I have an entire bag of them. That might be a nice project actually. To paint up this squad. Customize a bit. Paint it up. Make sure that it's rock and roll. What do you say about that? Should we make that our next project? Yes, I think we're gonna do that. So, I'm actually going to leave this here because I'm going to clean up. Until next time, stay safe, be kind, and paint Legion of the Damned. Bye!